Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the door latch, which we have right here for the right front. I have videos for the rear, even though I think the rear and the front are gonna be the same, but I also have one for the driver door also. So the part number for this one is 8050009HE0A, and this is a 2019 Nissan Altima. I don't know, I know these cars have a problem with the radio knob, and then they have now this is the second problem I find with these cars, the door latch going out. So let's get started. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. So this right here, you want to pull this right from here. That's good, and that's good. Now we're gonna expose these two 10mm right here. So if you come around here, you feel there's a little gap between the door and the frame. You want to pull it and pull on it. So normally yours might not even come off that much, but normally it might just come out where this part come out. Then you just work your way around until the whole complete door is off. This right here, we got to remove this. Find the opening. Find the opening. Unplug your switch by pull down on this blue tab and press down and pull back. Alright guys, so we'll just unsqueeze this and unplug it and peel this back and get on the inside, squeezing these tabs. So what I did, squeeze these two tabs in right here to unplug it from there. Remove this, take this out right here. It's gonna be T30. Squeeze that down, bring this down here. take that off. Get the other one. Take that off also, because these have two tabs right here. You just gotta squeeze in one side. So you just want to turn this around and bring it in here. So once you tighten up this, you just want to run this back through here.
This one bust too. This one bust.
Put that right there.
You got a knife?
So guys, you want to make sure you test it, make sure it works before you give it the finishing touch. So that's it guys, peace out. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. See you next time.